All right, warm up today. Remember, we do have quiz tomorrow, so this is going to touch on some of those main concepts. So it says, Mr. Kronger is playing catch, Mr. Sullivan. This equation right here models the height y in feet of Mr. Kronger's throw after x seconds. So as x seconds pass, this outputs the whatever height the ball is at. So what's the maximum height of his throw, and what time does this occur? All right, so you think about this. You got Mr. Kronger, you got Mr. Sullivan, and they're playing catch. So obviously he's throwing the ball up, and it's coming down. And so the idea here is as time passes, the ball goes up, the ball comes down. And this question is all about the maximum height. So it's all about this point right here, which, if you think about it, this is a parabola, and this point is called your vertex. So really, this question is just asking you, can you figure out the vertex? And the answer to that is absolutely. We know that if we have an equation in standard form, then this h equals negative b over 2a can be used to find the h coordinate of the vertex, and then you can substitute that in to find the k. All right, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. So if we do this h equation, and we do negative b, so it's going to be negative 12 over 2 times a, which is negative 16. Okay, when we work that out real quick, that's going to be negative 12 over negative 32, which is going to be some decimal. Let's see if we get there. Negative 12 over negative 32 is 0.375. So as I'm coming up with my coordinate here, 0.375 is my h value. Now, if I take that and I substitute it back into here, that'll give me my k value. So go ahead and type that in. So negative 16 times 0.375 squared plus 12 times 0.375. Whoops, helps if I type that in right. There we go. And then plus 5. All right, so it gives me an output of 7.25. So here's my vertex, my h and my k. Now I can use that to actually answer the question. So this question was, what is the maximum height and when does it occur? So remember, the the x, which is your time in seconds, that's this number. So the time that the maximum occurs is 0.375 seconds. So it gets up there pretty quick. And then the output is the height in feet, so 7.25 feet. And there we go. So the key to this question really is realizing, okay, I need to find the vertex, and then I'm going to use these numbers to answer these questions. And then, just think about the problem and read the problem to realize which number goes with which question. That's the real key there, is understanding what the variables stand for, that x is seconds and y is feet. So your x, your y. And that's it.